Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're all fine. So today we are going to study a Python-based project named as Rock, Paper and Scissors. It is really an interesting project because it is a game. So this game is usually played between two people, where each player forms one of the three shapes with a hand, such as rock, paper and scissors. How do they make? For rock, they have to make a closed fist. For paper, they have to show a flat hand, and for scissors, they have to make a V shape. Okay, now there are three possible outcomes for this game. Draw means a tie when both the players make a same shape. Second, win, and third one is lose. Now, how do we decide who is going to win or lose? See, as we all know, rock is able to crush scissors, right? It means when a one person, first player, is making a rock and second player is making a scissor, who will win? The first player. Okay. Now, see, when first is making a rock and second is making a paper. Now, paper has the ability to cover the rock. Paper has the ability to cover the rock. It means in that case, paper will win. Okay. Now, the next case when the first person makes a paper and third person makes scissors. Now, scissors has the ability to cut the paper. Scissor has the ability to cut the paper. In that way, scissors will win. Okay, so this is the whole game which we are going to make with the help of the Python programming language. Okay, now let's see the coding part. So first of all, I'm going to import tkinter. Then I'm going to import random. Now why I'm importing random module? Because here we are playing with a computer. So computer will randomly make a shape. Okay. Now I'm making an instance of our interface, that is tk. Then I'm giving size to our interface with the help of the geometry method. (400 into 400). Next, I want to give the title, that is root.title equal to rock, paper and scissors. Then I want to provide the background color with the help of the config method. Let's give it to pink. Now, first of all, I'm going to add a label. Pass the instance of our interface. comma, the text which you want to display. I want to display rock, paper and scissors. So I'm giving the font style also equal to Arial. Let's give the size and I want it bold. Going to provide the background color, that is white. Let's provide the foreground color, red. So I'm using the padding from y-axis, that is equal to 15. Now let's add this label with the help of the back method. Now next, I'm going to make one more label. Root, comma, text, where I'm going to write choose any one rock, paper and scissors. Now let's provide the font style, Arial 15 bold. Let's provide the background color, foreground color is red. Now let's place inside the interface with the help of the place method, because I want to give the actual coordinates to my label. X is equal to 20 and y equal to 70. Now next, now here we are making a text variable to enter our choice, comma, font, what we need, that is Arial 15, then the text variable, let's take user, take, okay, and place it at a particular coordinates, x equal to 90, comma, equal to 130. Now let's declare the variable first, user underscore take equal to string var. Okay, now let's use the render module. So first I'm going to make a variable compig equal to random dot rand int. Okay, if comp underscore pic equal to 1, then what is comp pic? That is rock. Elif if comp underscore pic equal to 2, then it is paper. Then else the last condition, compig equal to scissors. Okay, Now let's make one function of play where the user pick equal to user underscore take dot get. Now if the user pick equal to com pick, then it is a drop. Result dot set title tie result dot set tie means you both select scene. Now we need to set the result into text box. So first of all, I'm going to make a text box here. That is entry root comma again the font 10 bold, then the text variable set as result because we are storing in a variable result. Provide the width if you want to. I'm providing here 50. Now place this at a particular coordinates. Comma y equal to 250. Okay. Now we need to declare the variable also. It is result equal to string var. Okay. Now the next case is elif if user pick equal to rock and the com pick equal to paper. Then in that case, what is our result? Dot set means you lose. You lose. Computer select paper because paper has the ability to cover the rock. Next elif if user pick equal to rock and the comp pick equal to scissors. Then who will win? You win because rock has the ability to crush scissors. Result dot set you win because computer select scissors. Now the next case elif Next case, if the user pick paper and the com pick scissors. Now in that case, you lose because computer select scissors. Scissors has the ability to cut paper. Okay. Now the next case, if the user pick paper and the com pick rock. In that case, you win because the computer selects rock. Now, in the next case, if the user picks scissors and the com pick rock, who win? Computer will win and you lose. Computer select rock. Next, when the user picks scissors and the computer pick paper, then who will win? You win because computer select paper. Now the last, if you have not select anything, then the result dot set invalid. Choose anyone. Rock, comma, paper and scissors. Okay. Now next, we want a play button. So let's make a button now. Button. Let's pass the instance of an interface root. Now font equal to, let's Arial 13, bold. Then the text equal to play. Now give the padding from x-axis equal to 5, bj equal to white, foreground color equal to red. Now let's pass the command. Which is equal to play. So how do you spell the function? That is play. Let's pass it. Now we need to place at a particular coordinates. Now let's place them. X is equal to 150, y equal to 190. Now let's make one more button for reset button. Let's copy the whole thing. But we want a reset button. Let's text change to reset and command changes to reset. And it should be placed particular coordinates, that is x is equal to 70, y equal to 310. Okay, now I need to define the function reset. Let's define it. Reset. Now what reset does? Reset makes the result dot set equal to empty. User take also empty. Okay. Now let's run the program. So root dot main loop. Now see, this is the interface. So here choose any one rock, paper and scissors. So if I have written here rock, then play, tie, you both select the same. If I want to reset, reset, type another, play, then you win, computer select rock. So I think it is clear to you. Thank you very much.